To integrate programmatically using our API is very simple and easy. From the My Certificate screen or from the Edit screen for a specific certificate, you will find a button that will open a modal that contains detailed instructions on integration. On the My Certificates screen, when you see the list of certificates, just click on the icon at one of the certificates, and a menu of options will open, and you will find the integration option among the others that have been presented. On the editing screen for a specific certificate you will find this button just above the certificate editor with the text, Integration. When you click on this button, a modal will open, and in it you will find the API secret, the API key, and a real example request ready to be executed at your preferred HTTP request client. Here we'll use Postman as an example. All you have to do is copy the curl code and paste it into the Postman import option. See how we do it in the video. Note that the API key and API secret were used as headers to authorize the request. Now take a look at the body of the request. In the Certificate ID property, you need to enter the ID of the certificate you want to send. In the Recipients property, you need to enter, in accordance with the proposed data structure, the email address of each person who will receive the certificate, and also for each sending, the data of the certificate variables, which will be replaced at the time of sending by the content entered. The certificate variables are these data here that are created in square brackets. They are used to mark dynamic content in the certificate, which will only be defined at the time of sending. Take a look at the example we are proposing in the video. There is even a button in the editor to make it easier to create a variable. To use it, simply select a pre-existing text and click on the variable button. When this happens, the previous content of the text that was selected will be replaced by an example of a variable name. Remember that the variable name in the certificate must be identical to the one you will enter in at the time of the request, and vice versa. Otherwise, the substitution will not take place correctly, and the recipient of the email will receive the content including the variable markings. See how we are ensuring that the variable names are identical, both in the certificate and in the integration code. If everything is correct, you will be able to send the informed certificate to the desired emails, and the exchange of the variables for the actual content will have taken place. Remember, we've done an example using Postman, but you can use any programming language you like.